Yeah, looks delicious. Yummy, yummy. Ah. Mm. Mm. Good. Good.
When the weather gets cold, people or children with cold stomachs will feel a little cold when eating fruit. You can drink this herbal tea to warm and nourish the stomach. Cinnamon is an essential seasoning in many people's kitchens. People use it in stews, milk, and coffee. Cinnamon is particularly powerful in warming and nourishing kidney yang, and it won't easily cause excessive internal heat. Cinnamon can be used for people who are afraid of cold, often have cold pain in the lower back and knees, stomach cold and stomach pain, female uterine cold, and male kidney deficiency. While eating sugar or sweet, put a spoonful of cinnamon powder. It has a slowing effect on the rise of blood sugar after meals. Apple is a fruit that is very suitable for stewing. It has different effect when eaten raw or cooked. Eating it raw can quench thirst, help digestion, and eliminate hangover. Eating it cooked, it can clear the internal organs and nourish the spleen and stomach. Today's cinnamon apple tea is better cooked with the skin on. The apple peel has an appetizing effect, and it has 26 times the iron content compared to the pulp. The boiled peel can also be eaten. To prepare for this herbal tea, put 2 sticks of cinnamon in half a pot of water and cook for 15 minutes. Cut the apple with the core, put it in the cinnamon water and cook for 3 minutes. Finally, add an appropriate amount of brown sugar. Then you can drink it hot. It has the efficacy of strengthening the spleen and stomach, regulate stomach pain caused by cold stomach, and liver and stomach discord.